question 4. So remember, with the minors, where the minors involved, you flip it over first. So 3 over 1 becomes 1 over 3, still to be squared. 1 1 is 1, 3 3 is 9, so 1 over 9. Part 2. Now the power of a half is just the square root. So the square root of 36, what times itself is 36? That's 6. Part 3, so we cube root first of all, and then we're going to square. So cube rooting 27, what times itself gives us 27, that's 3. That still has to be squared, 3 3s are 9. So lots to unpack in number 4. So first of all, let's deal with the minors, so we flip it over. So no longer 16 over 81, but 81 over 16. So that's now become not minus 3/4, but plus 3/4. So we now take the fourth root, so what times itself is 16, that's 2. What times itself gives us 81, that is 3. So that undoes the to the power of a quarter effective, that undoes the 4 on the bottom. But we still have to cube both top and bottom. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Now question 5. So remember, when we're estimating, start off by working out each number to one significant figure. Only one figure is allowed not to be a naught. So 68 becomes 70, 401 becomes 400, 198 becomes 200. Look, 1, 1, 1. One figure, not a naught. Then just do normal maths. So 7 4s are 28 and 3 noughts, and your 200. Divide by, well, basically cancel out a couple of the noughts top and bottom, gives us 280 over 2, which is 140. Question 6. So this is to the nearest millimetre. So remember, your least and your most, you go up by half this parameter. So you're going to go up by half a millimetre. So the smallest it can be is 100.5. The biggest is 101.5. It was to the nearest 1 millimetre. So down a half, up a half.